Hey guys, welcome back. So we're finally here and it's really exciting. I want to take you guys around a little bit, but we are finally outside in our renovated pool deck area and I really want to show you guys around. I'll definitely put some clips in of the process, total cost and stuff like that. It was pretty much like a flat fee for us, but I really want to show you guys everything that's been going on. In today's video, we're definitely going to be doing some planting. I have a few seeds, about like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seedlings that I want to start because I want to start getting prepped up for our garden area. But I'm going to show you guys around real quick. Okay, so if you guys have been here for a while, you know what it used to look like. And this is her in all of her glory. She's so beautiful. The pool looks amazing today. It is hot here in South Florida, guys. I don't know what's going on with this heat advisory, but I just want to show you guys around from all the different angles. It's really pretty. It feels like our pool deck is even bigger than what it used to be. But look at how pretty she is. And I'm so excited. I put out a few of my plants over here and there, lined up our chairs for now. And then excuse the mess, but we recently just got this patio set from off of Facebook Marketplace. I got it for $200. I did go ahead and clean up the pillow cushions. Pillow cushions right now are super expensive. I guess I never realized because I never had a patio set that I need cushions for, but they are pricey. So I just took like some Fabuloso, you know, as Hispanic people, and I went and I just did some good old fashioned scrubbing on these, just because honestly this doesn't have a zipper and this did, but it was so thick and I'm like, I don't want that to destroy my washing machine. So I went ahead and I washed these, laid them out in the sun because it was super hot anyways. But here's my basil. I was looking on YouTube and I was wondering why mine isn't very fluffy and why it's very twiggy like this, and I found out that you need to cut them back more, and then when it starts to get like these, I don't know how to explain it, I guess you would call them, I don't know, I call them like little forks. That's probably not the right word here, but you should harvest your basil plants from the top, never from the bottom. So this one over here I cut back and it's really starting to fluff back up. These two haven't come, or these three haven't come back yet. I'm probably going to cut this one too so it doesn't get any bigger than this, but because I had to move everything from off of the pool deck to like the front of our house, these unfortunately had dots and caterpillars were feasting on that, so that sucked. But in today's video we're gonna work on these guys. So I have cilantro, parsley, rosemary, peppermint, chives, and bunching onion. So let's get into today's video, guys. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to take these planters that I got off of Amazon. I will be linking a lot of information as well as the company that we use for our pool deck in the description box, so double check there for any details that you guys may be looking for. But the cool thing about these pots is that I can hang them. They also have this drainage container that's separate, and I will show you guys later, but it also has a water window. And they have these cottons, so you put these cotton strings in between, and the space that's underneath that's filled with water, these cotton will absorb it into your plant. Okay guys, so I'm just using this Vigoro potting mix. It says it feeds continuously for 9 months, specially blended for indoor or outdoor containers for fruits, flowers, vegetables, and herbs, and helps retain moisture. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm starting this off indoors and I'm doing herbs, so that should be good. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little nervous. So hold on. I'm a little nervous because this bag was left open in our garage. I thought I twisted it. I don't know if it became untwisted, but I've experienced roaches before in open bags and I'm just really nervous. So I'm proceeding with caution. All right, let's get into it. So I also got these, they're like Slate markers, and I thought that they would be pretty cool even when I have my garden put up. So I got these off of Amazon. I'll link these for you guys as well. And then I just have this paint marker that I had from our wedding, and it's like a chalk. So you just shake it up real good. I got this off of Hobby Lobby. Onion. Alright, so I'm going to do cilantro first. And I'm going to use this guy. I'm just going to take a few. Alright, so that's done. I'm going to water them, give them a little bit of water. I'm going to take them inside. It's starting to look like it might rain. Or maybe I'll just leave them on the table and bring them closer to the door. That might work. Okay, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the cool thing about these pots or planters, if you will, is that they have this water. If you can see that, it lets you know how much water you have in there, and then the strings that I put in before, those are to absorb the water inside, so that's kind of cool. So I'm going to let them sit out here for a bit and get some sun. But that's essentially it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Let me know if you guys like this style vlog videos versus like me doing a voiceover. But yeah, that's it. We have started our little garden.